Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Betterment MHT CET. Betterment is a valuable opportunity for students who wish to enhance their previous MHT CET score. It allows you to reappear for the examination, aiming for a higher percentile, and, consequently, better admission prospects in engineering or pharmacy courses. This process is designed to give you a second chance to secure your desired college. To be eligible for Betterment, you must have previously taken the MHT CET examination. The application process is straightforward and conducted entirely online via the official MHT CET website. You will need to register, fill out the application form, and upload necessary documents such as your previous scorecard and identification. Make sure to follow all instructions carefully to avoid any issues. A successful Betterment strategy involves a deep analysis of your prior MHT CET results. Identify the subjects and topics where you scored less and dedicate significant time to improving them. Regular practice with mock tests is crucial to enhance your speed, accuracy, and time management skills. Consider setting a study schedule of at least 3 to 4 hours daily. When opting for Betterment, remember that your latest MHT CET score will be considered final, replacing any previous scores. It's wise to consult with educational counselors or mentors to discuss your options and potential outcomes. Carefully weigh the advantages and disadvantages, considering your preparation level and career aspirations before committing to this important decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.